Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to diagnose and maintain your check engine light. Now, we all know that dreaded moment when that little orange light illuminates on our dashboard. But fear not. In this video, we'll guide you through the reasons behind the check engine light and some simple maintenance tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly. So, let's get started. Understanding the check engine light. Before we dive into the diagnosis, it's essential to understand what the check engine light actually signifies. Contrary to popular belief, the check engine light isn't just an indicator of a major catastrophe. It's a warning system built into your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, also known as OBD2. It alerts you to potential issues with the engine, transmission, or emission system. Reasons for check engine light activation. Now, let's explore some common reasons why your check engine light may illuminate. Remember, this is just a general overview, and it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis. However, some common triggers include a loose gas cap, faulty oxygen sensor, malfunctioning catalytic converter, or even a simple misfire in the engine. Diagnosing the check engine light. When the check engine light comes on, it's crucial not to panic. Instead, follow these simple steps to diagnose the issue. Step 1. Check the gas cap, make sure it's tightly secured. Step 2. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve the trouble codes. These codes will provide valuable insights into the problem areas. Step 3. Research the trouble codes online or consult a professional mechanic to understand the specific issue. Simple maintenance tips. Now that you've diagnosed the problem, let's discuss some maintenance tips to help prevent future check engine light activations. Regularly check your vehicle's fluids, including engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid. Keep an eye on your air filter and replace it if necessary. Also, ensure that your spark plugs and ignition system are in good condition. Remember, proactive maintenance can save you from potential headaches down the road. When to seek professional help. While basic maintenance can resolve some check engine light issues, certain problems may require professional expertise. If you have limited mechanical knowledge or the issue seems complex, it's always wise to consult a qualified mechanic. They have the experience and tools to diagnose and fix the problem correctly, ensuring your vehicle's longevity. And there you have it, folks, our ultimate guide on how to diagnose and maintain your check engine light. Remember, while the check engine light may seem daunting at first, it's ultimately designed to keep your vehicle in top shape. By understanding the reasons behind its activation and following simple maintenance practices, you can ensure a smooth and trouble-free driving experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.